Hello, dear children, and welcome back to mathematics class for class 2. We will learn a new chapter today. So, this chapter's name is More About Numbers. It's chapter 3 in your textbook. So, we will learn about more about numbers. Okay. So, what numbers are, all right? See, we have been learning about these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, these are all called counting numbers. Okay, we don't start counting from 2, 3, 4, right? We always start counting from the number 1, right? So these numbers are your counting numbers. Okay, so we know most about numbers now, right? We know many things about numbers now. But today we're going to learn a new word, and that is ordinal numbers. Okay? O R D I N A L. Ordinal numbers. Okay? These numbers are the numbers that show, let's look here, that show the position of something in a series such as first, second, third, etc. All right. So first, second, third, we already know about these from our sports time, from the quiz times and all, right? All these competitions where you get first, you get second, you get third, right? All these are ordinal numbers, okay? Please remember that these numbers are ordinal numbers. All right. Now let's look at examples of ordinal numbers. Now we have here counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. And we have a slot for ordinal and ordinal number name. All right. So first let's look at the number 1. Now number 1, the ordinal number is 1 and st. It means first. Okay, 1st, first. So the ordinal number name is first. In the same way, if you look at number 2, you have 2nd. This indicates second. All right. In the third number, we have 3rd. It is pronounced as third. All right, children. Let's look at a different number, 4. The ordinal number is 4th. So this is read as fourth. Okay. And number 5, the ordinal number is 5th. So it is fifth. Number 6, the ordinal number is 6 and th. So it is read as sixth. Okay. Let's look at the next number, 7. 7th. The ordinal number name is seventh. Okay. And for number 8, the ordinal number is 8th. And its name is pronounced as eighth. All right. And number 9, the ordinal number is 9th. And it is pronounced as ninth. All right, children. And finally, number 10. The ordinal number is 10th. Okay, and it is read as 10th. Please do not get confused. These are your number representation. These are the names of the numbers. All right, children. So this is all about ordinal number. Now let's try to understand this even further. Let's look at an exercise. Now we see that there are a lot of girls, participating in a race. So the one who wins is in first position, right? The girl who won the race is in first position. The girl right behind her is in second position. The girl right behind the second position is in third position, and the girl behind the third position is in fourth position, and it goes on to fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. All right. So this is all about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers simply means the position of something. That something can be a human, that something can be an object, that something can be anything. Okay, it can be anything that you can place in order, right? In this manner: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all right, in that order. Now we will also learn about some double digits now. Counting number 12. Okay, so the ordinal number for 12 will be 12th, and ordinal number name will be 12th. All right. Similarly, counting number 13, the ordinal number will be 13th. All right. And ordinal number name will be 13th. Okay. Similarly, counting number 14, ordinal number will be 14th. Now, ordinal number name is 14th. All right. Similarly, counting number 16, ordinal number will be 16th. Ordinal number name will be 16th. Okay. And counting number 17, ordinal number will be 17th. Ordinal number name will be 17th. Okay. Counting number 18, ordinal number will be 18th, and ordinal number name will be 18th. Okay. Counting number 19, ordinal number will be 19th. Ordinal number name will be 19th. And finally, counting number 20, ordinal number will be 20th. Okay. And ordinal number name will be 20th. So this ordinal number is always used for placing the positions. Okay, for placing a position in exam. After you appear your exam and you get your marks, you get ranked according to the marks that you score, right? So the first, second, third, fourth, all these are ordinal numbers. All right. We can also say in a class, you sit in the first bench, the second bench, the third bench, the fourth bench. All these are called ordinal numbers. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. So to simplify it, let's understand that our ordinal numbers are used for positioning, placing the positions of different objects. All right. So I hope you're clear with the ordinal numbers. Now, we are going to learn about another new method. This is called skip counting. We have heard about counting. We have learned about counting. Counting usually goes in this manner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? But here we are going to skip count. Okay, skip count. Skip usually means jump, right? Something like jump, moving over, right? So this is done in this manner: counting numbers by skipping over numbers. Okay, so we will count by skipping numbers. That means, for example, let's look at the exercise. Let's try to skip count by 2. Okay, skip counting by 2. The first number we have here is 0, right? So when we skip count by 2, we always leave out the next number in the line. That is 0, we skip over 1 and go to 2. Okay? We count 0, skip 1 and 2. So we get 2 here, right? Again, we skip 3, we go to 4. So we get 4 here. We skip 5 and go to 6, right? So we have 6 here. We skip number 7 and go to 8. So we have 8 here. We skip 9 and go to 10. So we have 10 here. So let's look at the numbers below here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, these, you will see that in these numbers, they have a difference of 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. All right? That means from 0 to 2, you have 2 difference. From 2 to 4, there's a difference of 2. From 4 to 6, there's a difference of 2 numbers. From 6 to 8, there's a difference of 2. From 8 to 10, there's a difference of 2. So this is all about skip counting by 2. Okay? So let's look at another example. We will try skip counting by 4 now. Right? So for better understanding, we will solve these together. Now, if you look at these numbers, we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Now we will skip count these numbers by 4, right? So the first number is 24, 25, 26, 27. So we have skipped all these and we have come to 27, right? We skipped 3 numbers and came to 27. Similarly, we will skip this, 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 and reach 31, all right? Similarly, 32, 33, 34, 35, and we get 35. So if you look at this number, you will see 27, 31, and 35. Now, the difference between 27 and 31 is 4 numbers, all right? That means 24 plus 4 is 31, all right? And the difference between 35 and 31 is 4, meaning 31, if you add to it 4, you get 35, all right? So this is skip counting by 4. Now let's go to a bigger number. We will skip count by 5, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the first part. Now again, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have reached 5 and 10, right? Now next, let's go to the next row. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right. Now let's count the numbers, the steps that we're going. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's why we call it as skip count by 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So we get 30. Now let's list out these numbers that we have recorded. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So this is skip count by 5 because the difference between these two numbers 5 and the next number 10, the difference is 5. The difference between 15 and 10 is 5. The difference between 20 and 15 is 5. Similarly, 25 and 20, the difference is 5. And finally, 30 and 25, the difference is 5. All right? So this is why we are saying that we skip count by 5. All right, children? Let's look at the last example, skip counting by 10. All right? By 10. We go before 30, we have 10, 20, and then we have 30, 40. Now, if you skip count by 10, 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. So, in total, we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That means all of these have 10, 10, 10, 10 differences. So your skip counting for 10 will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. All right, children? So this is all about the numbers that we are supposed to learn. We have learned about ordinal numbers and we have learned about skip counting. So please, children, do practice at home, do continue to study hard and do your best. We will see you next time in the same atmosphere, environment. We will always ready to learn. So see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.